Need to replace the filters on your Truliva CU3040. Here's how. First, twist and remove the old filters. Next, install the new ones. Place the CTO filter near the faucet and the UF filter on the other side. Then, carefully turn the purifier upside down. Run the device for 5 to 10 minutes to flush the new filters. After that, turn the purifier back to its normal position. Finally, switch the positions of the CTO and UF filters. And that's it. Your Truliva CU3040 is now ready to use. For best performance, replace the CTO filter every 6 months and the UF filter every 12 months. Truliva, clean water, healthy living.